Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to easily change the font size on your Tesla's center display. This simple adjustment can significantly improve readability and comfort, especially on long drives. As of December 2025, Tesla provides user-friendly options for customizing the text size to suit your individual needs and preferences. First, ensure your Tesla is in park mode. This is a safety feature to prevent distractions while driving. Next, tap the controls icon on the center display. From the controls menu, navigate to display. This will open the display settings where you can adjust various visual parameters of your Tesla's interface. Within the display settings, you will find the text size option. Tap on it to reveal the available options. Typically, you'll see choices like small, medium, which is the default, and large. Some models may also offer a granular slider for even finer control. Select the text size that best suits your vision. Once you select your desired text size, the change applies instantly across the entire infotainment system. This includes menus, navigation, apps like Spotify, and the Tesla app suite. You don't need to restart the system for the changes to take effect, which makes the adjustment process quick and convenient. Tesla also offers voice command functionality for adjusting the text size. For models from 2022 onward, you can simply say, "Hey Tesla, increase text size," or "Hey Tesla, decrease text size." The system will respond instantly and adjust the font size accordingly. This hands-free method is especially useful while driving or when you prefer not to use the touchscreen. In early 2025, some Tesla owners encountered an issue where text size adjustments on the center display didn't persist after restarting the vehicle. This could be frustrating if you preferred a specific text size for better readability. Fortunately, Tesla quickly addressed this issue with a software patch released in version 2025.2. This update ensures that your text size preferences are saved and restored properly after restarts. Most users no longer experience this problem. If you still encounter persistence issues, make sure your vehicle's software is fully up to date. Here's how to check for updates on your Tesla's center display. Additionally, Tesla has introduced auto adjustment features that can modify text size based on ambient light conditions or your personal driving preferences, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Customizing text size on your Tesla's center display provides numerous benefits that enhance your driving experience. First, it enhances readability. Larger text ensures that all interface elements are crisp and easy to read at a glance, reducing the time needed to interpret information while driving. Second, it significantly reduces eye strain. During long drives, the right text size prevents squinting and discomfort, allowing you to stay focused and safe on the road. Third, it improves overall comfort. On long drives, the right text size makes interacting with the display more pleasant and less tiring, contributing to a better driving experience. Finally, it supports accessibility. This feature is especially valuable for drivers with visual impairments or anyone who prefers larger text for improved visibility and safety. These benefits make text size customization a valuable feature for safer and more comfortable Tesla driving. Looking ahead, Tesla and the broader automotive industry are moving towards more adaptive and AI-driven interfaces. These systems learn from user behavior to provide personalized experiences. Future updates may include features like automatic text size adjustments based on ambient light conditions or individual driver preferences. This ensures optimal readability without manual intervention. Integration with augmented reality could allow for dynamic font resizing via eye tracking technology. This advanced feature would adjust text based on where the driver is looking, further enhancing safety and usability. These innovations represent the future of automotive interfaces, combining AI, AR, and adaptive technology to create safer and more intuitive driving experiences.